Greetings, Mr. Nowicki here. We are moving on to exercise 4. I'm going to show you a little bit of a different technique in creating this one. I've already started my part, I've already started my sketch, and now I'm going to go with my line tool. So I'm going to start with what I know, and first of all I'm only going to do half of this, and then we're going to utilize what's called a mirror, the mirror tool. So I'm going to click my line, start anywhere here. I just want to make sure my line is straight, so I have 0.625 because that's half of this line here. Okay, and then I'm going to come down here, make sure I have my 90-degree angle, and that measurement is 2.5. And then I'm going to go again, this is 4, so I'm going to go with half of that, making sure my line is straight. And this line is 1.75, and then when I connect them, right there. Okay, so then I'm going to create this circle, and this circle diameter is 0.5, and now I need to line it up. Right, from here to here is 0.75, and then from here to here is 0.75. Okay, so now that this is done, I'm going to tap the escape key on my keyboard. I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to come over here to my pattern tool and click on the mirror tool. I've already made my selection. Now I click this mirror line arrow, and then I'm going to click this as my mirror line, and then I'm going to click apply. And then done. And notice what it did. It created an exact mirror image of that. So now all I have to do is click this line and delete it. And create this circle. So let's see. And actually, before I start the circle, I need to make sure it's lined up with this. It's going to be centered on this part, either this line here or this line here. Either way, when I get that dot, that's when I want to draw that dotted line. So I click there and I type in 1.25 and I hit enter. So now all I have to do is line it up with this line here. So I dimension this from here to here is 1.250. So now that's done. I can finish that. That's it. Now this one actually calls for you to extrude it, so I'm going to click extrude, and when I grab everything but the circles, I think it's 0.5 is fine. But then you may say, Mr. Nowicki, look, my dimensions disappeared. Well, that's okay. All you need to do is right click here and click show dimensions. And now you can grab your snipping tool, grab this image, and write your name on it, save it, upload it to Schoology, and you're done.